Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please do come and join us. And if you'd like to listen to this demonstration in any of these languages, then please collect headsets from reception and then choose the appropriate language number. But thank you very much for taking the time to come to the KOMORI stand today. Now let me introduce you to this 5-colour Lithrone G40 with coater, a high-quality printing press configured for food packaging applications. Now first, I'm going to explain the configurations of the units that we're using for our lightweight and heavyweight packaging jobs today. So here we are. The first unit prints black, the second unit cyan, the third unit magenta, the fourth unit yellow, and the fifth unit prints a special Pantone colour. All the inks are low migration. In addition, we're using a low migration vegetable base aqueous varnish here in the coating unit. Drying is by infrared and hot air. Now in our demonstration, firstly we'll run a label job on light stock, and then we will quickly change over to a new job on carton board. We're going to make a rapid print startup using the parallel control functions of Smart Sequence, fully automatic plate changing, our full APC system, and our self-learning function, KHS AI. So just how quickly do you think we'll complete these two jobs with the help of Reinhard and Philippe? Well, please do watch carefully. It all happens very quickly, and we don't want you to miss anything. Come and take a seat, chaps. So, Philippe, would you mind starting the first job for us? Thank you very much. That's going to be label printing on light stock. So here we are. This is the image that we're going to be printing. This is a cover for chopsticks. Now, since we're printing with low migration inks and varnish, this Lithrone G40 could be called the ideal machine for food packaging work. Now, as you can hear, we've now started production printing of 200 sheets at the maximum printing speed of 16,500 sheets an hour, and he's ready already, quick as a flash, thank you. So here we are. The press is coating with eco-friendly aqueous varnish at 16,500 sheets an hour, and the sheet is already dry to the touch. Very good. Got the thumbs up there. Now we will have samples available at the end of the demonstration. Please do come and check the results for yourselves. I'm going to pop that one back. Now the Lithrone G40 has completed the first job, and it started changeover for the second job, which is this colourful image of chocolate boxes on carton board stock. Now this 5-colour Lithrone G40 with coater is equipped with fully automatic plate changing, our full APC system, which requires no plate bending. And as you'll see for yourselves, it's extremely fast. So using Smart Sequence to automatically control the changeover functions, press slowdown and de-inking are already completed, and the system has now started simultaneous blanket washing and pre-inking. But let's use this changeover time to explain the name change from Lithrone S40 to G40 and what that means in terms of improved performance. So first, the G of Lithrone G40. The G stands for green, meaning environmentally friendly. But in addition, it represents our beliefs that this is a great machine that's going to produce large profits for you, and that's what counts. Now on the screen, you can now see data showing a comparison of annual CO2 emissions when using the Lithrone G40 with a conventional machine. Now the G40 incorporates a full model change of the feeder and the delivery, and the base of these mechanisms is the Lithrone SX40, KOMORI's flagship machine, which features a maximum printing speed of 18,000 sheets per hour. Now the feeder and the delivery of the GL40 have also evolved, And they now offer improved stability and ease of operation on all types of substrate. But please do check the stability of sheet feeding and the delivery performance during our demonstration, as this is one of its key points. But what are the other functions that are specifically changed from the Lithrone S40 to the new Lithrone G40? Please take a look.
By optimizing the number and arrangement of suction cups on the feeder's suckers, as well as the air timing and increasing the pickup sucker stroke, the suction, separation, and conveying of paper in high-speed operation has been stabilized. The guide for the brushes and roller on the feeder board has been eliminated, and a design with a single suction tape in the middle has been adopted. This further restrains sheet bending and lifting. Moreover, this suction tape ensures stable sheet travel accuracy because the speed of the timing of sheet travel is significantly reduced. In other words, the adjustments that the operator must make when changing the paper grade or size have been substantially reduced, and this feeder also guarantees stable sheet feeding.
So in the job changeover, which is now taking place, the sheet thickness is also being changed to 0.31 millimeters. But the Lithrone G40 can print carton board up to 0.5 millimeters in thickness without any transverse cylinder gripper pad height adjustment. So now let's explain the Advanced Spectral Print Density Control, our PDC-SX. Now the PDC-SX has two important features. The first is that the sensor head moves in the vertical as well as the horizontal direction. So when we use a color bar in the center of the sheet, as in this sample, it can be placed in the same position on the front and back of the sheet as in the perfector demonstration, thus allowing the paper size to be minimized. Now the second point is that the PDC-SX incorporates an automatic register adjustment function. So our PDC-SX, which is just over there, it will automatically check the register and the colors. So Philippe is going to take off our sheet and measure the colors. As soon as Philippe's happy, he'll let me know. And then we'll be able to also look at the register marks. Please keep your eye out for those. And when Philippe's happy, which clearly he is, we can move on to production printing. Thank you very much. So here we are. This is our second job. This is on carton board. Samples will be available at the end of the demonstration. Lots of them down here. Please do feel free to come and take some. Also, any questions that you may have, then Reinhard and Philippe and other members of the KOMORI team who are on the stand will be more than happy to answer them for you, I'm sure. So I'll bring this down now. Here we are. This is our sample. And I'm sure you can see the high quality and, more importantly, the absence of defects and scratches, as well as the smooth finish of the aqueous varnish. There are absolutely no markings or scratchings on either substrate. And that's thanks to the stability of paper feeding and the smooth sheet control in the delivery. Now, this is just one of our many package print solutions. And KOMORI will continue to evolve to be able to provide profitable solutions in the package printing sector. Now, after this, we're going to start our demonstration of HUV, high added value, on the new Lithrone GX40 carton there on your left. I do hope that you'll have time to stay and watch that demonstration too. And thank you very much for taking the time to come to the KOMORI stand today. And thank you to Reinhard and to Philippe. Thank you very much.